Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flour. If you're new, my name is Robin, and today I have a clean with me video and we are in the kitchen. I'm going to show you guys a recipe for an all-purpose cleaner that you can make yourself with all natural ingredients that are easy to find and some essential oils to make it smell great. I just received my Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box for April, and it has 4 great smelling oils, some extra ingredients, and recipe cards for making cleaning products for your home. This video is not sponsored by Simply Earth, but they did gift me the Essential Oils recipe box for April. And they are kind enough, and I want to thank them for sponsoring a giveaway for you guys. One of my subscribers will receive the recipe box for April absolutely free, and I'm going to show you some of the things that come in that box and how I'm using them to clean. I will give you the details on how to enter later in the video. Simply Earth is a great company, and not only do they sell 100% pure essential oils at about 1/3 of the price of most other brands, but they also donate 13% of their profits to end human trafficking. I will have my referral link and a discount for you guys in the description box, so make sure that you go to their website and check out Simply Earth. I'm going to show you how to make the recipe for tea tree and lemon surface cleaner. All of the ingredients that you need you probably already have on hand, or you can find easily in your local grocery store. You need hot distilled water, borax, which I always use for my homemade laundry detergent, white vinegar, rubbing alcohol, tea tree essential oil, and lemon essential oil. To the hot distilled water, add 1 teaspoon of borax, 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of rubbing alcohol, 10 drops of tea tree essential oil, which is a powerful cleaner. It's a respiratory supporter, and it is just one of those that you want to make sure you have in your home. And then you will also add 10 drops of lemon essential oil. And this oil comes from the fruit peel of the lemon. It's also a great natural cleaner, and its aroma is very calming and uplifting. Stir all of the ingredients until they are dissolved, and then pour it into the aluminum spray bottle that comes in this month's recipe box. Now it's time to put this mixture to work, and I'm going to start in my microwave, and I'm giving the bottle a little shake just to disperse the oils, and then I can spray it right in the bottom of my microwave. And it's not showing so much on camera, but there is a lot of splatters in here that are sort of baked on. You know how microwaves can be, and I found that this just dissolved it very easily, and I'm just using a microfiber cloth to wipe it clean. My biggest job in the kitchen today is going to be cleaning out the refrigerator, and it is pretty dirty. I've let it go for a little while, so it's time to take everything out, and I do that kind of section by section and really get this refrigerator clean using my new tea tree and lemon surface cleaner. So today I'm going to start with the door, and I'm just going to take everything out and put it right here on the counter. And all of my little compartments on the door are removable, so I find it easiest to take them out and clean them in this sink. And I'm just going to give them a rinse real quick, and then I'm going to use my lemon and tea tree oil surface cleaner with my microfiber cloth. And this stuff is working so well. It's just instantly dissolving all the little splatters and spills that happen in there, the kind of stuck on goo. It's working great, and I just have to say this stuff smells amazing. My whole kitchen is starting to smell great. So you guys know that I love cleaning our home with products that do not have any harsh chemicals and that are basically as natural as possible. And so I am loving this recipe and all of the things that are included in this month's recipe box. This month's box also contains nutmeg essential oil, and that is a spicy and woodsy, very warm scent, I would say. And this oil blends well with other oils in this month's box, so you can create a natural clean scent. Fourth oil in the box this month is a blend that is called B.O. Be Gone, and I think that's really cute. But despite the name, it smells amazing. This blend is a mix of patchouli, ylang ylang, sandalwood, lavender, and sweet orange, and it does naturally reduce body odor. Now that I've finished the door, I'm just going to start removing things shelf by shelf, and I just find it so much easier to do it this way so that you don't wind up with everything out on your kitchen counter. And also things will stay a little bit colder. You can close the refrigerator in between. And as you can see, I like using these clear plastic bins to corral things in our refrigerator, and it also helps me group items so it's easier for everybody to find what they're looking for. And I have all of those in my Amazon store, and the link to that you guys can find in the description box below. After I've taken everything off the shelf, I like to wipe off all of the bottles to make sure nothing sticky is left on there. And then I go through and I check expiration dates. We have a couple things that were almost gone and we're probably not going to use anymore, so those things will get tossed. And then I just clean out all of the containers with my surface spray. This mixture is doing a great job of removing any stickiness almost instantly from the bottom of the bottles and also from these containers. And I know that this mixture is also very antiseptic, so it's killing all of the germs as I'm cleaning, and I'm not using any harsh chemicals around our food. This month's box also has recipes for foaming hand soap, natural laundry detergent, which is a lot like the one I like to use, using essential oils of course, laundry stain remover roll-on, lemon and nutmeg dishwasher detergent, and a natural home diffuser recipe. To enter the giveaway for the April recipe box, you will need to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And then leave me a comment to let me know you would like to be entered with your Instagram link so that I can inform you if you are the winner. The contest will close Friday, April 4th at midnight Central Time. I will inform the winner on Saturday through a direct message on Instagram, so make sure you're watching out for that, because if you do not respond within 24 hours, I'll have to move on to the next person. This is a really great giveaway, and I want you guys all to have a chance, so make sure you follow the rules and enter, and I can't wait to make the announcement of the winner. We store our produce in these two bottom drawers of our refrigerator, and there tend to be lots of little bits and pieces of things that need to be cleaned up. And actually, my favorite thing to do is to use a vacuum to get them up, but my husband is in a meeting and I don't want to make a lot of noise with that, so I'm just using a microfiber cloth, and it's doing a good job of picking up everything before I put the spray on and wipe it clean. Austin has arrived to see what is going on, and I think it's time for him to take a break outside in a couple minutes. And he has learned a new trick, which I will show you guys. We hung a bell on our door so that he can alert us when he wants to go outside, and now he is enjoying that very much. As a matter of fact, he's overusing it a little bit, but at least I know when he needs to go outside. So all in all, it's working quite well.
I'll let you out. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, let's go.
I know what he would really like is a nice walk. So after I show you guys our clean refrigerator, I'm going to do a little bit of a quick cleanup in the kitchen, and then we are going to head outside and enjoy this pretty weather. On the top two shelves, I keep corralled in the bins different condiments, and I kind of group them by like things or by size. And I also keep our eggs in the original carton, and then most of our leftovers go on this middle shelf. The bottom shelf is where we keep all of the beverages, and below that is a small drawer where we keep cheeses and lunch meats and things like that. This drawer is where we keep our produce, and I can see that we need to eat up some of our fruit, and then I need to do a little grocery shopping. Below that, we usually keep extra fruit, especially for snacking, on the left side, and then on the right side we keep our bread and tortillas and things like that. In the upper bin of the door is where we keep our butter, and then most everything else is just condiments, and I kind of group them together. So like things for making sandwiches, things for breakfast, like this shelf has all of the nut butters and jam that my son likes to use. And then on this bottom one, I keep the coffee creamers, maple syrup, and other tall items. Now I'm just going to wipe down all of the counters where I've had all of the food out, and actually I really haven't cleaned up since we had lunch, so I'm going to do that too. The lemon and tea tree oil in the cleaner already have the kitchen smelling great, but I really want to give the natural home diffuser recipe a try, and that's a combination of lemon, nutmeg, and tea tree oil, and it smells so good. So now that the kitchen is cleaned, I'm going to take Awesome for a walk, and when I come back, I know that the house is going to smell amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I hope you guys will be sure to enter the giveaway. I would love to see one of you win this amazing recipe box from Simply Earth. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.